Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on DELL 7320 Detachable. To do it, go to any browser that you currently have. By default you should have the Microsoft Edge, so I'm gonna open that and then click here and search for Google Chrome. Enter, and then I'm gonna open the google.com and then click on download Chrome. Now it's downloading the Chrome and you can click on the file right here, then click on yes, and now it will start downloading further. And now the Chrome is installed, you can open it. I'm gonna close out of the Microsoft Edge. Then you can sign in to Chrome. I'm gonna click on don't sign in and I'm gonna select the Google Chrome as my default search engine. And if you want, you can set Google Chrome as your default browser, and that's what I'm gonna do. If you don't want it, you can click on skip, but I'm gonna click on set as default. Then it will open the settings app. And now you can click on set default right here to set Google Chrome as your default browser. You can see it's set here. Then I'm gonna click on X to close here. Then Google Chrome is ready. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.